son's bedroom. Not necessarily a Mario fan, he's a Luigi fan. So everything Mario and Luigi. So we've got the green blinds, Luigi, and then the wood panel sticking out from the wall we thought we'd fill that with a Mario wall. And a green feature wall here with Mario and Luigi up there. In the link in the description, I will provide the link to the Etsy, a lady that made all of these, and she also recently moved in, so it's still a lot of building work. She made this, which is 3D, well, not 3D, but not flat, and because it's dusty out here, I don't want to walk in these rooms because we've done the kids' rooms first. So that there, and then my daughter, her princess bedroom, she's got Princess Peach, and the lady that I'm going to link to her Etsy in the description, she made both door signs and take shoes off and the wall. So yeah, anyway, hope you found it interesting. Thanks for watching. Speak to you in the next video.